love me. You better love me. You need to love me. Girl, gonna love me. I wanna love you. Girl, let me love you. I'm trying to love you. I wanna love you.
Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. So welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you're not new, welcome back, fam. So in this video we are going to be doing something just a tad bit different, and it's a little nerve-wracking for me, but I'm really excited to do it. So this video I'm going to be doing a style over my locks. Yeah, a style. I told myself that I wasn't really going to do anything different with my hair, put any styles over it until I'm at least a year locked. And to be honest, I haven't really been that tempted to do anything different with my hair. I mean, look at my hair, look at my locks, look at Lola. She doing her thing. But I started scrolling through my Instagram and I started seeing a lot of my older pictures with my fro when Lola was loose and not locked, and it just gave me all the feels, and I kind of wanted that old thing back. Now, the style I'm going to be doing is some clip-in extensions. So the clip-ins that I have are from Her Given Hair. Now these clip-ins are about 7 years old. I remember getting them when I was in college. Actually, these clip-ins were quite expensive. I got them for their Black Friday sale, and I got 2 packs of the kinky clip-in extensions, and I believe they were $250 at the time. And for a broke college students, that was crazy coins. But like I said, these clip-ins are 7 years old. 7 years old. So this is really an experiment to me to see if that $250 was really worth it, because honestly, up until this point, my clip-ins were bomb. Never had any issues, no problem, minimal shedding. I could do whatever style I wanted to do to those clip-ins and they had bounced back. But now I want to see if they're still capable of doing that. So what I did to prep the clip-ins, I took them out of the box and I gave them a good wash, a good condition, and I went ahead with my detangling brush and I detangled them really, really good. And the look that I was going for, or the look that I am going for, is more of a wash and go type look. So after I finished washing them, detangling them, and right before I let them air dry, I went through with my detangler brush, some leave-in, and some Eco Styler gel, so that way I can define the curls and let them dry. So here is what the curls are looking like on the hair. Right now I'm going to braid my locks down, and I'll come back to you guys once I get that down so you can see my braid. And before I get into the braid pattern, let me just say this now. I am a part of the Struggle Braid Gang. Shout out to Taste Pink. I cannot braid to save my life, but I can do what looks like a braid to kind of get the job done. So don't be judging me in the comments. Alright, so we are back and my hair is twisted up. I was going to do braids, but I was struggling a little bit with the braid, so I just ended up going with the twist. And to be completely honest, they look terrible, but I will show you guys what they look like. I was going for a side part situation, so I have this parted off here, and I decided to let my baby hairs stay baby hairs because the 4C hair would kind of match my 4C hair. So let's get the clipping these things in, and I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. We're going to get ready to clip these clips in. But before we do that, let me just let you guys see this hair. Like, take a look at this hair. Now mind you, these wefts are 7 years old. 7 years old. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at the definition. It's beautiful. All right, let's get started with the clipping process. So I'm going to start with like the 3 clips, and then the 4, and then the 5 on the biggest part of my head. 1 clip pieces are going to be for the front and whatever needs to be filled in. So let's go. Okay, so after some playing around and trying to cover up the part, I love how it turns out. I'm gonna give you guys a spin. I'm really liking it a lot. It's really giving me that big hair don't care vibes that I was used to for so long with my loose natural hair. I'm really surprised that the hair is just this bomb. Like, this hair is just bomb. So that really speaks to the quality of her human hair. So that's all I have for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions or want me to come back with more styles to do over my locks, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.